Let's see the question number 4. The correct order of the atomic radii in group 13 elements is boron, aluminium, IIN, GaTl, B, Al, GaIn, Tl, B, GaAl, IN, Tl, B, GaAl, TLIN. Okay. Atomic and ionic radii of group 13 elements increases from top to bottom in the group. This is due to increase in the number of energy shells in each succeeding elements. However, the atomic radii of gallium is less than the aluminium. Okay, so gallium and aluminium. Gallium less than aluminium. Okay, this we have got. That is okay. Then it is due to poor shielding of the valence electrons of gallium by the inner 3d electrons. As a result, the effective nuclear charge of gallium is somewhat greater in magnitude than that of aluminium. Thus, the electrons of gallium experience the greater force of attraction by the nucleus than in aluminium. Hence, the atomic size of gallium is 135 is slightly lesser than aluminium, that is 143. So our first is B, second will be gallium, that is Ga, then third will be aluminium. Let's see the sequence. First is A, B, Al, that is wrong, so first is not applicable. Second is B, Al, that is also wrong. Third is B, Ga, yes, this can be there, and Al, yes, this can also be there. Fourth is B, Ga, Al, this can also be there. Let's see the next one. But the next one will be the In, then In, so in this In is there. Fourth, no, fourth one is not there. Galat hai. Then there will be TL. So this is the correct answer. Let's see in the next slide what is the correct answer. Yeah, third is the correct answer. So we are absolutely correct.